It is a tag team that might take Casey Anthony down.
The Orange County Sheriff's Office is working with the state attorney's office to pin murder charges on Kaylee's mom. Melissa DePani explains, first on Fox.
Sources close to the investigation tell Fox 35 the Orange County Sheriff's Office is working with the state's attorney's office to turn over charges to present before a grand jury, possibly as soon as next week, though no word on what those charges will entail, whether it is manslaughter or murder. One criminal defense specialist we talked to says the ingredients for either charge are there.
In order to satisfy this legal standard, which is a very low legal standard, the prosecution would have to have some competent evidence that in the case of, say, manslaughter or second-degree murder, that a person died and that the defendant is the person that did it.
Look at the body of evidence. In mid to late August, a month after Casey's arrest, investigators sent Casey's car to the body farm run by the University of Tennessee. That's where scientists took air samples from the trunk. They also collected hair samples, and they sent those to the FBI labs. The beginning of September, nearly 2 months after Kaylee's disappearance, information surfaced about other DNA and decomposition evidence coming from the trunk of Casey's car. Hornsby says he's not sure how admissible air samples would be in a Florida court, but all the other samples are key.
What's more likely to come in is reliable scientific evidence would be if they have found actual decomposition or bodily fluids that are in the trunk, and they link that to Kaylee Anthony. If they do that, they have a very strong case that Kaylee Anthony died, and they have a very strong case that Casey Anthony at least contributed to the death, which would support a manslaughter charge.
Now, I called Jose Baez's publicist, Todd Black, for a comment. Black told me the rumors have been circling for weeks about a potential indictment, and he says they will not comment unless Casey is indicted. At the Orange County Courthouse, Melissa DePani, Fox 35 News at 10.
Now